Standing in the doorway, nothing but the finest china can be held within this box. But today, there's PEZ in there, and how do I know? Because they wrote €2 on it, and it's addressed to me. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. I just got back from PEZomania. My voice is starting to come back. This was waiting for me. I wanted to wait until you guys could hear me better before I got started. Strained vocal cords. Who would have thought that for me? I talked a little too much. All right. Now then, the Craftsmanship by this particular China company. Having some issues. I need 3 hands. 3 hands and I'd be happy. 3 hands and 27 hours in the day. Just 3 more hours in the day. That's all I need. To get a lot more done. Alright. Doesn't live as long though. So here we go. Throw that aside. Oh, I'm so psyched. Alright, I have numerous of these. I am now saying that this must be in your collection if you're trying to do all variations of Daffy Duck. See that? Josh didn't get ready and have his poker ready. Right in through there. No patent number, European release only, on a Euro card. Melted candy. Now, when you see candy, if you push on it, I'm just going to go ahead and do it with this one. Say I pushed on it, it was real soft. Josh, what'd you do that for? Because it's about learning, not about taking care of the PEZ. See, yeah. I think I made it a little worse. Is there another stain? No, just one stain. And we all know who's responsible for that stain. Come back here, come back here. Yeah. So when you push on the candy, if it gets real soft like this, you're going to really make the seller mad, but you aren't going to be a mad buyer. Does anybody know how to correct soft candy? So if I didn't receive this on card and I just did a video on it, would you believe me that this is a legit dispenser? Probably not. What about this one? This is why I bought the lot. But come on. No way. Not that one. Yes, this one. This is a purple stem. This is not a pink stem. Look at this. Okay, it's not that purple, but it's this purple. It's definitely not pink. Well, not that pink. Or the pink that this bunny came on. Unfortunately, I gave all of my bunnies away. But this particular one, oh, look at that nice card. Hey, the candy's still hard. Use the power of the pointer and it didn't crush it. This is a cool dispenser. It's on the Halo card. No patent number. Or excuse me, no made in country. Yeah, European only release. See that right there? It's a 4.9, isn't it? Hold on a minute. I must pull it away and use my good eye. Yes. 4.9 patent. Very cool. That is what was in the box today. 2 dispensers that shouldn't be on those particular stems. But they are. And they're from Europe. So until next time.